In 4 minutes, I will know if I've successfully manifested at 10 o'clock or not. I will take you with me. It is a very popular cafe by the beach here in Coralejo. It's on the island of Fuerteventura, Canary Island. So how do I do this? Well, in the morning I have what I call a morning meeting with the universe. Yeah, I sit down with a cup of coffee, I go through my day, and I use the speak-up method in order to manifest the outcomes. If you want to learn more about this, just check out the link below. And how do I feel about this? Well, I always have doubt when I do this. Even though it has worked so many times. But I feel like it's like a 50-50, I feel like, yeah, 50-50. Oh, it's just around the corner. I'll just tell you that if you do this, it's smart to do it a little ahead of time. It seems to work better if you leave the universe, or whatever you want to call it, a little time to arrange things, right? So I was very clear this morning, and there is no excuses. If it doesn't work now, 1 minute left. I don't know if you can see that. Let's do it. My God. I see it already. It's 26. Wow, what is this? Oh my God. Thank you. I'm very relieved. Thank you. I went in to pay the bill. It took me 30 seconds. When I got out, all the tables were taken again. How cool is that? So how do I do this? Well, the short version is you raise your head, hence the speak-up method, and you focus and make sure you really want this, and it comes from your soul, your heart, and not your ego. And then you speak out with words. My intention is that I am getting an available table at this restaurant, cafe, at 10 o'clock. The whole thing you can read down below. And I told you about my morning meeting, right, with the universe, because I have this whole thing, and I'll link down below to a podcast where I share everything I do in the morning meeting, which is manifesting your day, planning your day, and going through it ahead of time, which I think is an important factor, ahead of time. So just look for the words morning meeting or something, you will find that podcast there.